Hey, superstar, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Listen up. In this video here, okay, listen closely. I'm going to show you, okay, undeniable proof, step by step, how I'm currently earning $10,000 per month on autopilot without doing nothing. I'm in Hawaii right now. I'm getting ready to leave, and I'm in my bathrobe here, and I'm straight out of the shower. And I say, you know what? I have my laptop right here. I'm going to show you right now how to make $10,000 per month on autopilot over and over again. As a matter of fact, let me show you proof here. This is one of my accounts I've never showed before on camera. This is 11,000 in July, June 11,000, and 23,000 here in March. But the great thing about this is happening on an autopilot. Now listen, if you want to get value from this video and actually learn how to do it, one, make sure you watch this video twice. I'm just trying to show you how to make money. Listen, if you honestly believe that you can fast forward through the video, or you can do this with me on the first time around, well, you'll never make money, because most people don't make money because they're not patient. You got to be very patient. Two is you have to believe that you can do this, okay, period. And I know that sounds so simplistic, but trust me, I've made millions and millions of dollars. And before, when I was broke, I was just like most people. I was impatient. I was fast forwarding through videos when I would watch on YouTube or Instagram. And I just didn't believe that a young black kid from Houston, Texas could make money, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's gonna be step by step. Please take out a sheet of paper, comment these words below. I can do this. This is an affirmation to yourself that you must tell yourself while you're doing this, because you have to eliminate the belief that you can't. And how many of you smash the like button if you're looking to get rid of your 9-to-5 job in the next 30 days? Okay, this only takes 30 days to do. I've never did this video live. As a matter of fact, I may delete this video. But the great thing about this money comes in on autopilot every single month for me. This is like, I think, income stream number 11 for me. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. First step is this. Go to clickbank.com, okay? Now, I'm gonna give you 2 websites to go to. Now, this is exactly how I made $30 million in the past 3 years. This is exactly how I basically retired my parents, and how I bought all these luxury cars, and now I can travel around the world and do what I want to do. I can stay in luxury suites like this. Listen, and the great thing about it is very easy to do, but you got to pay attention, okay? Smash the like button if you're with me. If you're negative, just leave the video. Just leave the video now, please. All right, so what you want to do is grab an account here. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing platform. We're not gonna get deep into that. You can go to my channel and learn more about Clickbank, but let's just get into the money and show you how to do it. So listen, let me log in. Let me let you look at my billionaire sandals here. Give me a second. Okay. If you guys can hear me, smash the like button. If you can see yourself earning your first $10,000 in the next 45 days, I want you to smash the like button. If you really believe that. If you don't smash the like button. Don't comment below. Go to Marketplace. Now, listen, this is the simplest way. You don't have to have a new idea. You don't have to be this innovative person. All you need to do is comment these words below. It's model, okay? You just find a product here. That's it. That is top rank. See this? Sort results by rank. Make sure that it's listed here. All these products right here on the front page are $1 million products, okay? This is exactly what I did when I was broke. Now, how many of you smash the like button if you believe that you're gonna watch this video to the very end and watch it twice? And remember, right now, just educate yourself. Take a deep breath and just learn. Then after you learn, then you apply. That's how I make money, okay? You gotta learn. You gotta just calm down. I know you're eager to get started right now and take action, but just learn. So, for instance, say if I'm broke right now. How many of you are broke? Or say if I have a 9-to-5 job and I want to quit. I'm sick and tired of people telling me what to do, and I want to be on vacation with my children, or I want to travel the world with my boo, right? This is what I would do, and this is what I did 10 years ago. I've never made this public before, but listen. You see this product right here? This is a weight loss product here. I clicked on it, okay? And what I did was, you see this video right here? This is what is called a marketing video. video sales letter. See, many internet marketers, they're not going to tell you this. Trust me, no internet marketer online they're not going to share this type of information with you. Trust me. They'll sell your course, right? Then give you this information, maybe, but they'll never give it to you for free like Wesley Virgin. So I appreciate you smash the like button, because I will continue to expose the internet world so more people can make money, because it's an internet bubble right now, and a ton of people are not making money online because they're not getting the right information. You see this video right here, how to lose weight? That's all you got to do. Model that video. What do I mean by model, Wes? You want me to copy? No. I want you to transcribe that video, okay? Period. I want you to do exactly what Burger King did to McDonald's, exactly what Chase America did to bank, or vice versa, okay? I want you to take that video that we just got from Clickbank.com. It's free, by the way. And I want you to model what they're currently doing. See, this video right here is producing about $1 million a month. I know the guys, right? I know these people here, right? They're my friends. All these people are my friends, because I've been #1 on this platform for many years. And I do the same process that I'm giving you right now in the video. Great thing about this, you can be a teenager in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. You can be old as God. Doesn't matter. If you just pay attention, you can do it, okay? So this is what all great marketers do, you know, after they fail. I failed for 7 years. I made no money until I realized that everybody was just modeling what works, okay? Comment that below. Thou shalt model what works. That's just how it works. So, see that? So, you just model that. You transcript that, and I'm going to give you a site where you can go to get that transcript quickly at the end of this video. That's going to blow your mind, okay? So, listen. Once you model that, you need to buy the product, obviously, because you need to model it, right? Any conventional business, before they get into business, they have to buy the other person's product, see how it works, and make it better. That's what you're going to do, okay? If you was going to open up a donut shop, well, you buy a donut from Shipley's, and then you see why it's so good, and you make yours better. Add more sugar, right? That's it. That's all what people are doing. We're doing this over and over again. This business right here, it's just coming in every single month. Like, I swear, I don't do anything to make this income. It's what I did for 30. I do it every 30 days, and I bring in an extra $10,000 per month. You know, because I like fancy cars and whatever. You know, I just waste money on clothes all day as well. So listen, once you do that, that's step number 1, okay? You're going to model that right here. All right, let me give you guys another hint here. You see what it says, ancient Japanese tonic melts? All right, whatever, right? Doesn't really matter. The reason why they write the headline like this is because they want you to watch everything. Does that make sense? The reason why the headline says ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds, because they want you to watch it. They're like, ancient Japanese, right? So in your brain, you think like, what's that? So what you can do, you can put ancient Indian tonic, ancient tonic from Italy, ancient tonic from Brazil. Doesn't really matter. You can just change that word right here. See that? You can change 54 to 45. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna be honest with you. The headline, the only reason why the headline is like this is because it's for you. Listen, it's for you to watch everything. Okay? We want to intrigue you. We want to spark your curiosity here. Okay? Does that make sense? That was gold. So that's first step. Now, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the traffic. I'm going to show you guys how to get it built and everything. Smash the like button. If you don't smash the like button, that means you don't show me no love. I need some love, baby. Let go. All right, look, check it out. So once you model this, you want to buy it, okay? That's on clickbank.com. Now, let me give you another platform, digitalstore.com. I'm going to give you a gift right now, so listen close. So you go to Digital Store 24. Listen, Digital Store and Clickbank are like sisters, okay? This is like the step sister. Clickbank is the brother, whatever. They're the same. They're the same. But I like Digital Store 24 because, well, I know the CEO and they let me do what I want to do, okay? So listen, you get your account. It's free. Get your free account. And then what you want to do is go to Marketplace. Same thing. Because what you're going to do is create a product, okay? I'm showing you guys how to create your own product here. Okay, and I'm answering all your questions. Just give me a second. You see here, right here? Excuse me, the Genie script here. Just model that. That's my product. Listen, I'm giving you permission right now to buy my product right now and model it. Okay, seriously, not copy, model. That means you buy it, you buy the upsells, you buy everything, and you study it like you're studying for a test that you're trying to pass. Does that make sense? Like, there's no internet marketer that's going to tell you, hey man, just buy my product now and just model it and use it for yourself. They're never going to tell you this, right? Of course not. Think about all the workout DVDs out there, right? Think about all the different type of tires and chairs. You know, everybody's doing it. Everybody's successful. Everybody's modeling. Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, Instagram. I mean, come on, TikTok. Everybody's doing this. They're billionaires, by the way. And a lot of you are broke, haven't even made $100,000. You're 30, 40 years old because you're too busy. You're either lazy or you're just too busy trying to create something from scratch, which is not that smart, in my opinion. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to Digital Store 24. You're going to get a free account and you're going to buy this. You got to buy GeniScript and just model it. So when I say model, that means just study it. Study everything that I did. Study my marketing techniques, okay? GeniScript I pulled over maybe $10 million so far, and we're in the half of the year, okay? And it happens automatically. And all I want you to do is do $10,000. You know, this product at its peak would do like 500 grand a month. But I just want you to do $10,000. So what you do, comment below, please. You model what's already working. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that makes perfect sense now, okay? So that's it. You just model that product here. You buy everything. The upsells, you just buy everything. Why? Because you need to study exactly the marketing and the persuasion strategies that I'm using right here. And I keep doing this over and over again. I do it very quickly now, every 30 days. That's why I make a ton of money, okay? Now, your question is, well, Wesley, how do I get traffic? You know, how do I get people? Or, no, your better question is, okay, Wesley, how do I create a product and I know nothing about meditation? I know nothing about weight loss. This is what you do. You're going to love this. Watch this. Go to Amazon.com. Let me tell you something. I know a guy right now from Canada. He did the strategy, Amazon.com. He does like 200,000 per month. And he's not even an expert in the field, but he's like making a ton of money. That's what you do. You type in weight loss. If your VSL or your marketing is going to be about weight loss, just put weight loss books, okay? And all you do is you just search for one that's not doing very well, honestly. There's many weight loss books right now on Amazon that don't make any money right now. Does that make sense? They don't make any money. You know what you do? I have a friend. This is what he does. This is all he does. So he contacts people. I'll give you an example. Let's do price to low to high. A person like this, right? And they're not making any sales because it's $0, right? You can say, hey, can I take your book and I want to market it? I'll buy the rights for your book. And the thing is, they'll give it to you because, let me tell you why. It's because they're not making any money. So they like cool with it. And most of these people have already forgot about the book they published on Amazon. 1% of people on Amazon actually are making real serious money. We're talking about 6 figures per month, okay? Maybe 5% are doing 10,000 per month net, not gross. Okay? So all you do is you just get a book here. You reach out to the person that wrote the book and say, hey, I want to do some marketing for your book and let me see if I can make it work, Can I buy the rights? Or you can give them 5%, whatever. Right? That's the product. That's a product that you don't have to write. So you guys think people out there writing books. Nah. Just somebody else's idea. It happens every day. Okay? And you just basically reach out to them. They'll sell you the rights for cheap, right? Some of these people give it to you for free. They don't even care. Right? Because, the book has been on Amazon for so long, they don't care. So then you get the book, right? So when you create the product here, you change the name, change the marketing, you change the name in the book, and you publish it on Clickbank or Digital Store right now when you buy it. Does that make sense? That's it. Okay, that's all you need to do. Now, the last step is this. Listen very close. And like I said, you gotta watch the video again, because some of you are going to miss very important things that I said to you right now. Okay? Listen. To get traffic, okay, the fastest way. And I'm going to show you this website. Please don't share it with anybody. And all I ask you to do is comment below. I love you, Wes, because I'm going to give it to you right now. Look. Go to warriorforum.com. This is what I did. when I was broke, had no money at all, okay? Go to warriorforum.com. This is like a hidden gem. Now, you need to show me some love right now because many people are always trying to get traffic. Now, the reason why I can have my toes out like this and I'm sitting down relaxing while you busting your butt on a Saturday, Monday, whatever day it is because I have affiliates that run traffic for me, okay? So you go to warriorforum.com, you click on Marketplace. Look. Scroll down to Affiliate Program Database. And when your product is done, right, you just post it right here. Everybody that makes money does this, by the way. And like even my product is here. Let me show you. Look at this. It's somewhere. But even my product is on here as well, folks. I mean, see if I can find it. It's somewhere around here. Anyway, but does that make sense? So you just post your product right here, okay? And you have millions of people that come every single month to Warrior Forum. This is how I find all my affiliates. That's why I have over 20,000 affiliates right now that promote my products. Now, show me some love because I just gave you the game. Honestly, you don't have to go to seminars. You don't have to go to internet seminars. You don't have to knock on Wesley Virgin's door. Just go here and post your product once it's done. And what you do is just model somebody else. You just model somebody else what they posted. Honestly. And just change out the names. This is what we all do. You know, why work harder? Work smarter. Smash the like button and let me know that you love me. And I will continue to create videos like this. So, listen. So, when you post it here, people will naturally reach out to you, obviously, and they want to promote your product, right? And that's how you test it. You test it with small affiliates from here. Does that make sense? Now, listen, if you want to, some of you might say, well, Wesley, I get it. I'm going to watch it again. But, you know, I want to make 10,000 in one day. How many of you want to make 10,000 in one day? I've done this many times. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof right now. I'm going to show you something I've never did on camera before. 10,000 a day. Now, listen, I want you to imagine that your product is done. Imagine that you just quit your job. You worked on your product for 30 days. You followed exactly what you heard in this video. You watched it again if you needed to. You felt good about it. You was enthusiastic, right? You were positive, right? While you were creating your first product. And then this is what you did. Listen, let me show you something. This is how you make $10,000 in one day with me, okay? Sinlane is what is called an ESP. It's email service provider. I don't know if I showed this before. Let me log in here and let me show you exactly what this looks like. So imagine I do have something below in the link below, okay? In the description below. And what I'm going to do, okay, for 10 people. Watch this. Let me show you something. I want you to see. Hold on. You see these campaigns, you see these lists? So I have an audience of 219,000 people, okay? Now, I make about 100,000 per month when I send an email out to them every single day, okay? Which I don't, because I don't rely on email traffic, emails anymore. I just don't need to do that. Listen. Let's see what I'm going to do for the first 10 people. If you click the link, I'm going to put the link in the description below. It's access to my online millionaire mastery course. It's under $100. I'm going to be very transparent here. When your product is done on day 30, you email me, and the email is provided to you in the actual program. I'm going to email your product to 200,000 people. I will guarantee that you will make $5,000 to $10,000 on day one. Okay? You will make back 1,000 times your investment. Does that make sense? I'm being very honest with you. This is 219,000 people. This is how internet marketers make their money, right? And I will email your product if you're serious. First 10 people, okay? I'm gonna put the link in the description on this video. And when I email out to your product and you make $5,000, $10,000, all I want you to do is say thank you, okay? Period. All right, and I know some of you guys still think this is skeptical. I know, I get it, but some of you will always be negative. That's okay. But the person that's serious that's going to do it is the person that's going to make the money. I love you guys so much. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Like I said, first 10, get in. It's like $97. It's nothing, right? It's nothing to change your entire life money-wise, so you don't have to work a job anymore. And you can start doing what you want to do, right? Divorce the old life, and welcome to the land of paradise where I live, baby. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go.